just rambling around Terrebonne and Redmond, Oregon.
We have camping, breweries, and one of our favorite hikes.
Stick around to the end. We'll let you know what we did right, what we did wrong, and what we're going to be doing in the future.
Okay, ramblers, let's get rambling.
So this finished the black tomorrow.
Every year they have to have Yes. Yeah.
It's worth the drive. Yeah, that's good.
I missed my hold. Look.
Oh. So this is loganberry. Wow, that's
It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
All right, so here's our return visit. Back to go. We climbed all the way up through here, and we enjoyed that, the viewpoints. And then we started a descent on several switchbacks, and then we came down through here, and then down along the river. And what a beautiful hike it was.
We did it. We're finished. We're done. We were here a year ago. Loved it. We did more of the flat trails. I didn't want to go up Misery Ridge. I felt
But
it was
you did
too
a fine job.
challenging.
You did a good job.
I felt like it was too challenging, but this year I did it, and
Yeah.
I'm glad I did it. It was a lot of fun. It was a little nerve-wracking for me. It's not that bad for most people. I just don't like heights. I'm scared of heights. Don't like them. But I did it. Went up all the way to the top, and coming down was not as bad as I thought. And I'm really proud of myself that I did it. So.
Mexican lager from where? No, the sisters. It's Three Creeks.
Three Creeks. I love
Three Creeks, yeah. The Mexican lager out of there. A little different. This does not look like a Mexican lager though.
Yeah,
It looks like a hazy something, but
but it's good.
yeah.
General Duffy's Waterhole.
General Duffy's Waterhole.
Yeah, there's concerts,
that's-
music, lots of food trucks.
And the food truck's telling us we got food.
Excellent.
Right back. Look at this. Sure, this is
Oh my
okay. This is what we get after hiking here.
Oh
Yeah, look at the double batty, and you have to share this. You can't. This is not food for one person. This is food for two people.
Yeah. Wow.
Can't wait to dig in. So the food truck is
Bacon and cheese and French fries. Oh my goodness. And the food truck is called That Guy's Bistro. Several good food trucks here though.
That's hiking food.
Lots of bacon, lots of cheese.
That's a bunch of hiking food right there. Yeah.
All right, here's a
Little
double
double
burger.
burger.
Good job, buddy. You earned it.
Very good. 2/4 pound patties. That Guy's Bistro. Salted caramel. Yeah, that does taste like salted caramel. Yeah, real rich. Real rich. It's good. The Lotus Pills. Yeah. So sweet. Yeah, that's good. Hero. Oh, look at that, yeah. Oh, the tzatziki and cucumbers. Oh, my.
this is Crooked River Ranch, and this is what we get to sit at and enjoy at the end of the night. You can hear crickets, you can hear the river. It's quiet, peaceful. It's just beautiful at the end of the night. You watch the sun go down and just sit here and relax with a cocktail.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, sure.
About a half mile to the falls. Watch out for the snake. No fires. Be respectful.
Let's go.
There we go.
Let's get rambling.
There's fly fishing down there. Head on to Redmond and Ride Brewing.
Porter.
Yeah. Oh, it says beginning in July of 1926, the site was used as the official city dump. Yeah. That's funny. Critters in there.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
And then there's mango salsa.
Mango salsa. You know what? I'll try a little bit of that too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. It worked.
That was really good.
All right. Yeah.
We are at Porter Brewery in Redmond, Oregon, and it was established in 2018, but we've been here in the last couple of years, and we never even heard of this place, and we just came over here out of a whim, and it's got we're gonna try some pies here in a little bit, but they make homemade pies, but it's a cute little establishment. There's some darts that we played upstairs, and it's just a cute little place. We love Wild Ride. We've been going there for years, several other breweries, but this one really caught us off guard. It's a really neat little place. It's worth stopping in at and trying and checking out.
Yeah, the Porter Brewing Company.
Yeah.
Definitely a place to stop in at. Do not miss it. What do you think?
Yeah, delicious. Every single beer we had here was really good.
Let me.
Not to mention the service. Service was fantastic.
Great service, great beer,
Yeah.
great location.
And we haven't tried the pies yet, so we'll have to follow up on that. We ordered a couple of them. They take about a half hour, but she said the owner's wife makes them handmade, and it kind of took me back to
Artisan handcrafted.
but it took me back to my childhood as far as there's pasties that we grew up, my grandfather making, and so when I saw these pies, I knew we had to order them, so we'll
look forward to them.
that. Yeah. But stop by here at Porter's. Actually, I did it online. It's good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
Look in there.
You should split it in half.
Let's just cut that right in there. Look at that. Oh my.
It's hot.
No problem, baby. Yep.
Meat pie.
Meat pie. What else? Beer. Yep. Holy smokes.
Good, huh? Thank you for sticking around till the end. As far as what we did right in Terrebonne and Redmond, it was going to Crooked River Ranch. I would recommend that campground. It is centrally located, so you're only about 25 minutes to Smith Rock, you're only about 10 minutes to the falls, and Redmond's only about 20-25 minutes, and then you've got Bend about 45 minutes from there. So it's in a good location. It is a really nice, well-maintained area. Hopefully the video showed you how beautiful it was. If you're a golfer, this is a place you need to check out. It is just a beautiful area to golf, and we noticed people would meet up every morning, get together, head on out and golf, and you could hear them laughing and having a good time. At the end of the evening or afternoon, when everybody's done golfing, you'd end up seeing them in the sandbagger, continuing on having a good time. And there was karaoke and other stuff going on, walking distance from your campsite. Also, Over the Edge Taphouse is wonderful. It's just a little 3 to 5 minute drive. And then the Big Dog Saloon is another place that is also right there. So there's a lot to do right in that area. It's just nice. It's enjoyable. There are hikes right there too. And so Crooked River Ranch is highly recommended. The other thing is Smith Rock. If you talk to anybody and you ask them, where should we go hiking? What should we do while we're in that area? Everyone's going to say Smith Rock. It is just beautiful. And hopefully we were able to show you that as well. But it is just, the first time we saw it, we were in awe just walking through it. So anybody can go there and find a hike that you would enjoy. There are hikes along the river just for 1 to 3 miles or 6 miles. And then there's hikes with higher elevation. So there's a little bit of everything for everyone. Go check out Smith Rock for sure.
What we do differently is if we were to stay at Crooked River Ranch again, which we probably will, is we'd stay in one of the pull-through sites. Not that we need a pull-through site, but it's a larger site. You know, some of the areas that we stayed in with the sites there, just a little too close, and we want a little more room to spread out. And the pull-through sites would accommodate our vehicle and allow us to do that. So that's one thing that we'd consider doing differently again. And then maybe tacking on a few extra days and spreading our time between there and Bend, staying in downtown Bend at an RV park. And that would allow us to be within walking distance of several of the breweries, the river, and a lot of other activities. So we'd consider that again.
Even though the drive to Bend is doable, we've done it 2 years in a row. You can definitely drive to Bend and go enjoy yourself and go do some things around there. But a lot of your hikes and places, once you get to Bend, you got to drive another 30 minutes to an hour to get to some of those locations. So it might be better to just, add a couple nights and stay in Bend in general. So that for sure would be something done differently, I think. And the other thing that we did right, though, as well, is exploring Redmond. I have to say, Redmond is changed a lot over the years. Back in the day, I think there was only 1 or 2 breweries that we'd go visit there about 10-15 years ago. And now there's easily, 5 to 7 breweries, maybe even more than that, and tap houses. And we were very lucky. We actually were there the opening day or two of
Otto's Landing.
Otto's
Landing was an exceptional tap house. Very good selection, and the layout was awesome. Balcony up above and pool tables. Real fun.
Brand new, yeah. So it was really neat. That's where we're stopping by there. We were surprised. We've never been to Duffy's Garage before. That place was also really neat. A lot of good food trucks, and they have concerts there. And we were almost tempted to go back a month later to see a concert.
General Duffy's Tap House was awesome. And what we'd like to do next time we go there is see a concert. They have a small outside venue that looked very accommodating, and that would have been a lot of fun to go there.
And don't miss the breweries. Wild Ride has always been one of our favorites, but more breweries have been added since then, and we got the great surprise of going to Porter's and enjoying that place. That's a really neat place to go to and check out. So go definitely spend some time in Redmond.
Yeah, Porter's, I need to reiterate the fact, definitely go to it. They have cask conditioned ales there. They're served at cellar temperature, and they're served in proper pints, not in 10 ounce, not 12 ounce, not even 16 ounce, but proper pints. So definitely check out Porter Brewing Company, and they're in Redmond.
Well, thank you for sticking around, hearing our wrap up. And if you found any of this useful, please hit like. And also, we would really appreciate if you'd subscribe. Keeps us moving, keeps us going, and we'll have more to show to you.
And make sure you put some comments down as well. We need to hear what you think, and maybe offer some suggestions as to where we need to go next time we're in Redmond or Terrebonne, and we'd sure appreciate it.
Until then, keep rambling.